It's a nice hike today. Does it get any better than this? Camping near the lake, snow, chilly. About 3:30. I'm a little earlier than I normally like to be showing up to camp, but as we know, it's winter time, and wintertime you start quicker. This will allow me to get ready for tonight. I'm going to try to build a fire, and I'm going to have to collect some birch leaves and try to find some dry timber and try to get this fire going. Even thought I'd do a small Boy Scout challenge and see if I can't get this fire going within two matches. Wish me luck. Alright, here we are. Wildcat shelter. Snowy night, snowy day. It's going to be a snowy night. It's a snowy day right now. I guess it's going to be easy to scavenge for firewood. Finding dry firewood's going to be a hard time. I'm going to scavenge around and see what I can't find. Oh, look. Here's a backpack. Stowed away in a trash bag out of the rain. How convenient for Survivor Miles, because he's going to use the contents of this backpack. Okay, I planted the backpack. The backpack was a plant. I come out here earlier today with the dogs, and I dropped off one of my backpacks, and then loaded up my second backpack to pretend like I was hiking the whole trail. I mean, when I hike out, I'm going to have to hike out with 2 backpacks, so I can't wait to see what happens there. But I'm going to try to build a fire. Now you might be saying, hey Miles, your fire's upside down. You've got all the tinder on top and all the logs on the bottom. This is called an upside down fire. We're gonna see if it works. I get 2 matches, so 2 tries or 1 big try, so wish me luck. Alright, here's get that in there. Heavy fire needs a little breath. I'm gonna throw some more paper on. theory, the process behind an upside down fire is that you build a little fire on top, and this is going to encourage all of the little coals and stuff to fall down into the logs and starting a fire almost like a normal natural fire. All right, I've got some more sticks I've got to get. I'll be right back. Alright, I'd say the fire's going good. I had to get my headlamp on because it was getting dark. Even though it's not too dark, not too late yet, it's still getting dark. I'm gonna try to cook set and cook me some spaghetti. There you go. Move your leaf for you there, dark side. Me and dark side gonna hook up some spaghetti. Let's see how this new kit goes. Alright, we got us a cleaning sponge. That might come in handy later. Stand for the gas. Oh, and my pocket rocket. Portable gas stove. Pocket rocket is a copyrighted trademarked product, and this is not that product. Alright, so I'm going to put the spaghetti in there with a little bit of water. Alright, so after some studying, I'm going to try this again. We're going to cut it on just a little bit. We're going to flip the flicker. Oh! Alright, that should have been done ahead of time. And that one's too far up. That's the worst one I've ever seen. Alright, I think that's better. Let's see what we can't get going now. I'm going to put my spaghetti, water, a little spaghetti to boil. We're going to put that on, we're going to cut it up. We're going to put a lid on, we're going to bring it to a boil. We're going to set it and forget it. Set it and forget it. Ja, hang jo. Alright, so this is my dinner. Oh yeah, I got some spaghetti. This is dehydrated spaghetti that I have rehydrated. I'm about to dig in. I'm about to break out chopsticks and dig in and have a couple of bites. It was a long and cold night, but I got up early. I took some photos of the park with its light dusting of snow, and I hiked out to the truck. And I had a very good time. Please join me again on another video. As always, save some trail for me.